Hello friends, welcome to Big Data Knowledge Hunt. So today we will be seeing a new topic or the programming languages that you can learn in 2020. So if you are not new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it for more such videos related to machine learning and big data. So there are three languages that you should learn in 2020 or during this lockdown period. First language is the Python. So it is widely used for web development and machine learning. So these are the widely growing fields nowadays in the industry. So big data and machine learning. So big data is the part of machine learning or data science. So in these two fields the Python is being used. So instead of Python, R is also used, but widely the data scientist or the developer use Python instead of going for R. In machine learning and big data, Python plays the most important role since it has different packages and they are very easy to use in the coding. Instead of writing a large amount of code, Python gives us the same result in a small lines of code. So if you are thinking in the sense of engineering, in the computer science branch, the Python or R is using widely nowadays. So in the computer, instead of Java, nowadays all the research or all the project are being carried out in Python. Also it is used in mechanical. So you may be wondering where in mechanical the Python language is used, but in research projects such as robotics or mechatronics or automating the machines, we use the machine learning algorithms. So here Python comes into picture. So in the engineering field, Python and R plays the important role. So definitely you should go and learn the Python language. The next language is JavaScript. So as we all know, JavaScript is widely used for website development, but there are different applications of JavaScript instead of web development. It is a high level language and it has different functions and syntax like that. Also it is used to develop some of the UI based softwares. So we have to take care of the syntax, dynamic, prototype and all those things when we are considering JavaScript. So instead of Java or ASP.NET, we can use JavaScript. So and it is easy as compared to Java. So mostly programmers instead of using Java go for JavaScript. So whenever we want to do web development, mostly the engineers prefer JavaScript or the developers prefer JavaScript since it is very easy to learn and easily adaptable. Anyone can learn it. So the next language which is widely growing nowadays, that is a Kotlin language. So it is a basically Android app development language. We know nowadays we use apps in our mobile phones. So it is a newly launched language known as Kotlin, and it is very blooming in the industry currently. So instead of Java, we can use the Kotlin language. It is very easy to learn as well as very easy to adapt for any beginner since it has very basic level of syntax and the coding structure. So it is a very simple platform to enter into the Android app development or enter into the coding. So instead of Java, you can go with Kotlin for the Android app development. So in future also Kotlin has a great market in the industry since it is very easy, and many programmers are focusing on Kotlin instead of using Java. So these were the basic three languages that you should learn in 2020 and that are mostly used, that is Python, JavaScript and Kotlin. I hope you are aware with the concept. Thank you for watching.